We are about to get this hair all the way together. So I am wearing a couple of days old twist out. Still, it's still not that bad, but I'm just ready for a different look. Every time I'm in between styles, I like to use headband wigs. So shout out to Fashion Plus Hair for sponsoring today's video. Let's get started. So my hair is very clean. It's still very much clean. And because this is a headband wig, I don't have to comb out all of my curls. I really only need to focus on this front part of my hair. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna keep my curls in the back. I'm really just gonna focus on that part. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my hands to kind of stretch out the curls more without doing too much. Because again, this is an in-between style, so there's no commitment. It's not being glued, it's not being sprayed down. So I'm just gonna go just like this and put it in a scrunchie. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to work on this part by just literally applying a little bit of water just to get it wet, and then a little bit of gel. I'm gonna tie it down, and that's gonna be it, and then we're gonna put on the wig. So in this bottle, I have literally just water. So I'm gonna spray a little bit of water on the front part of my hair. And we're doing water first because my hair has been in curls for quite some time, and the water is gonna kind of bring it back. All right, so now that we have our hair a little bit damp, we're gonna go ahead and take a little bit of this Eco Styler gel. Now, I only use this when I'm doing my headband wigs. I don't use this on my hair on the regular, so just an FYI. Yeah, we're gonna just put a little bit of this gel on the perimeter of the front part of my hair where my hair will still be exposed. So now that we have that, we're gonna go ahead and begin brushing our hair. So once we have it brushed, it should look a little bit something like this. Now, because I do have twists technically still in my hair, I'm gonna spend a little bit more time brushing the top. That's the part of my hair that will be exposed. So I'm just gonna spend a little bit more time making this part flat. So once I got it all smoothed out, then I'm gonna go ahead and proceed to do my edges, which again are gonna be the most exposed part of this hair look. So this is all nice and slicked back. Now we can move on to the edges. Now for the edges, I will not be using my Eco Styler. I will be using my edge tamer from Art of Beauty. Shout out to Art of Beauty. Don't forget, you can use my code if you wanna save 20% off of your purchase by using Ariel20 on all of Art of Beauty products. So we're gonna go ahead and do this for our edges only. It's an edge tamer. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how I do this. And instantly. I just love what this edge tamer does for my edges. Literally lays them down. All right, so now that we have the edges done, we're gonna go ahead and tie our hair. I'm just gonna use this camouflage thing, and we're gonna just tie this hair down. All right, so we are back. We are about to put this on the hair, the head. Let's get started. I'm recording an Instagram reel and at the same time as this, so bear with me. So again, this video is sponsored by Fashion Plus Hair. You can purchase this right off of Amazon. I got this delivered in 2 days, okay? 2 days from Amazon, and we're about to test this quality out, test out the wig. Let's do it. I'm so excited. I only have one other headband wig, which I will leave up here so you guys can check out that video. I really enjoyed that wig, so I hope I enjoy this one as well. All right, so as you guys know, or if you don't know, headband wigs are basically a half of wig where the front part of your hair basically completes the look. So instead of having a frontal or a closure, you're using your hair. So I like headband wigs because honestly, Why not? Like, it's a perfect in-between hairstyles look. You don't have to commit to having a wig on for the whole day at all. Like, I can put this on right as I'm getting ready for work, and when I get home and I'm about to get in the shower, I can just easily take this off. I don't have to soak my edges off or put alcohol. I just take it off and my hair is still protected. Nothing happened to my hair. It's a great alternative. Why not? So this hair is 20 inches loose wave human hair headband wig. That's what it is. So it comes with 5 headbands. All headband wigs usually come with a variety of headbands. You don't get to pick out the headbands you want, which is okay. I'm not tripping, but they usually give you a nice array. So here are the 5 headbands, which I like. I mean, they're very perfect for spring. So I definitely can see myself using this one. And I just bought some outfits that'll match this. Oh my gosh, perfect. So this one is blue, yellow. This one is red and white and blue, perfect for 4th of July coming up. I'm gonna make sure I keep that in mind. Here's a black and turquoise. I like this one a lot. I love this color turquoise, it's just beautiful. And then we have a polka dot one with navy blue and white. Polka dot is always good. And then we have a red silk. This one is very much my style. I think they kind of knew to give me these because I like every single one of these. And I'm not even saying this because the video is sponsored, but individually, these are perfect. Like, I actually really am going to enjoy these. I know I'm going to be able to use every single one of them. Absolutely. No questions asked. All right, so we'll figure out which one I use, but let's first open up the wig. So it comes in a plastic bag, not really that cute, but who really cares? It came with at least this type of bag. So when I'm ready to store it, I can put it in here, but I probably will still keep this bag because it's a zip bag. So that's very convenient. It's not something you just rip open. Again, this is a 20-inch loose wave. The last one I got was, I believe 18 inches kinky curly, which made more sense for me because my hair is kinky curly. But this one's a loose wave, which I still don't mind. I probably, when I do wear this out, I probably wear it if my hair was pressed or hot combed so that it can match up, because loose wave is not the texture of my natural hair. But because I did press it or slick it back, I will be okay. All right, so this is what it looks like off rip. I don't like the smell. It smells like pack hair, but it's not horrible. It has this little thing in the inside, but this is what it looks like. It's not as thick as I would have hoped for it to be. It looks like literally maybe 1-2 bundles. The last one I had, it was very full, but I can say already the quality of the headband part is better than the last one, because the last one had a very thin stitching, but this one is very much of a thicker stitching. This part right here is just really much more secure, but I'm looking and I can see the tracks if I just separate it a little bit, which is not a good thing. So overall, this is a very thin piece, but let's try it on because maybe it'll be perfect for just those quick picks or a quick lunch date. It don't probably have to be an all day hair type of thing anyway. All right, so we're gonna put this on. Again, the way I do this, I like to start it from the back. They have combs on the inside. This one has 4 combs, and then the headband itself. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on. And I put it on this comb first. So once I have that comb in, then I bring it up to the front of my hair and I stretch it to adjust it. Okay. The 2 side combs in first, and then I can just take them out and adjust them as I need to, but I needed to put it into something first. All right, so the way that headband wigs look, you don't want it to look so obvious. Yes, it is a headband. We get that. However, comma, it doesn't have to look like boom, a thing right there. So what I like to do is I don't put the middle comb in because I like to bring it up a little bit closer to my hairline, and then the actual headband part itself, the black part, I like to push it back so that more of my hair can show and it's not looking so obvious. All right, so then you want to take your two headband strips and you want to connect them together. So once that is there, we can go ahead and take down our clip, and then voila, there it is. It's very much simple. I don't mind this look on me at all. I'm just running my fingers through it so that it can look a little bit more full, and it's definitely giving me Barbie vibes. Yes, I definitely feel like a Barbie. Let me move back so you guys can see the length on me. So it comes like around my chest or my bra area. It's like right here, which is not bad. I don't mind the length. When I do wear this, I would have to pull, or I would have to braid the back of my hair down because I could feel this lump, and because it's not as thick as I want to cover that part, I would end up braiding my hair down if I was going to wear this out. But I don't mind the look of it. It looks very cute actually. Like I did feel like a Barbie. Oh, this is so cute. What y'all think? Make sure you guys leave a comment below. What do you think about this? I don't mind this at all. My hair right here is pretty flat, so I'm just gonna like zhuzh this up a little bit so I can just make it more full. I don't mind this. This is cute. Again, these are the perfect styles for in between. Like on a average, I would take literally 5 minutes to do this hairstyle and I'm out the door. I love that. Oh my gosh, I actually love this. Oh my goodness. So let me try on one of the headbands. Actually, I'm gonna try all of them just so I can show you guys the different options. So the way you put it on is just like that, but just be careful of your edges. The way I just put it on was not a very good idea. To headband number 2. All right, let's try the red one because why not? So this is the red silky one. This is the black and the turquoise one. The only thing I can say is you have to kind of stretch these headbands, and if you have a big head, and I'm not saying that in a rude way, but they will be kind of hard to put on because they really are tight. Like really tight. I like this one too, but this one is the tightest headband and I don't really appreciate that. It's like my head, I could feel the pulse in my head when I put this one on. All right, let's move on to the very last headband and then we're gonna do our final thoughts. So what are my final thoughts? My final thoughts, if I had to rate this out of 10, I would give it a 7. Only because I think if it was thicker, it would have got a 10. It's so cute, but I want it to be thicker so that I could feel more secure with the way it looks. If it was full, baby, it would be a 10. It blends with my hair pretty decently. Obviously, everybody will know this is not my hair unless you don't know nothing about black hair, the shade. But if you know black hair, you would know this isn't my hair, but it doesn't look that far off because I pretty much laid my hair as best as possible. If I wanted to hot comb my hair, I believe it would look 1,000 times better, but I don't need to do all that. I'm not trying to break my hair for the sake of a headband wig. You can literally do this same style with your natural hair. It will be okay. And if you have a relaxer, great. You can still do this same style, just slick it back. So overall, I give it a 7 out of a 10. And thank you so much, Fashion Plus, for sending me this hair so that I can review for my peoples, because I like reviewing stuff. I feel like I'm a good reviewer. I feel like I did the job. You know what I'm saying? Look at me. I mean, but yeah, it's a cute little thing. I definitely will wear this to work tomorrow. Yeah, I actually am, because yeah, I'll probably wear this for the rest of the week when I go to work, because it's just a cute little throw on piece. Like, it's not something that you take so serious. Like, I wouldn't take my birthday pictures in this because I want full hair, but for everyday type of look, it's definitely it goes. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to purchase this unit, the link will be in the description box. Again, thank you so much for Fashion Plus for sending this to me so I can review for my girls. I really appreciate it because that means I'm getting there. Like, I always wanted to do these things. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. If you are new to my channel, subscribe, please. Please just go ahead and subscribe because I am on the road to 10,000. I want 10,000K. I will have 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We're only at 1, but we almost at 2. So what we finna do? Make sure you subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.